SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to stop blocking cookies on iPhone 15 Pro. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If you were previously troubleshooting a problem on your phone, or if you were changing your privacy settings and elected to block all of your cookies, then you may find it difficult to sign into different accounts on websites or to add items to a shopping cart. So if you've decided that you no longer wish to block cookies, then you can change the setting to allow this by opening the Settings app. You can then scroll down and select the Safari option from this menu, and then you can scroll all the way to the bottom of the Safari menu until you see the Advanced option here. Now you just need to select this, and if your phone is currently set to block all cookies, then this block all cookies setting should be enabled. So if you just tap the button to the right of that, then that's going to allow web pages and websites to place cookies on your phone and allow you to use those websites as they were intended to be viewed.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.